Hi, Doc J here. So today, meron tayong patient who's been experiencing hair loss and hair thinning sa may crown area. He's been on medication for the past 3 months pero gusto pa niyang mapabilis yung process ng kanyang hair restoration. Isa sa mga sinuggest kong treatment is PRP. So tara, pakita ko sa inyo paano ginagawa. So sa mga patients na nakukulangan ng added benefit from this medication, this is one thing that is very, very effective. Gumawa tayo ng scalp block injection para mag-manhead yung scalp niya. So sige, so trial lang natin to see if meron po siyang ma-feel na any pain during the injection. So, inject tayo ng konti. Yan. May masakit? Wala. How would you rate the pain? From 0 to 10. 0, wala kang ma-feel. 10. Sobrang pain. 0. Alright. Sige. So, yan. Pag ganun, pwede na tayong magbigay ng injections. So, kumusta yung feeling during the PRP injection? May na-feel ka ba?
Very comfortable. Wala akong maramdaman.
Okay. So, that's good. That's good. So, mabilis lang yung PRP. It usually takes around 10 to 15 minutes. Wala din restriction. You can exercise. Pwede din maligo right after. So, walang masyadong downtime. Just a little bit of stinging sensation, a little bit of swelling, pero mawawala din yun in a couple of hours.